How do consumers react in the digital world, or even enterprises work in the digital world? What do they want? They want to interact anywhere, anyhow, and from any place, at any time. The digital world expects that everything that we do is simple. Simplifying lives of billions of enterprise customers and consumers is what Robosoft does. How do we simplify these lives? We believe that making things simple of how consumers buy online, how do they transact online, how do they pay online, how do they interact and bank online, how do they consume content online, is everything that needs to be so simple, either for enterprise customers or for B2C customers, is what we live for. Thousands of Robosoftians wake up every day to make this larger purpose happen. How do we do it? Why do you think we are the best equipped to do so? Because we live and drive with empathy. Empathy is something that is core to what we do. Understanding human emotion is extremely important for us. When we build software, we don't sit in an air-conditioned room and imagine what are the requirements of a customer is. We go out there, we call it Goob, get out of the building and live the life of those employees and those customers for whom we are building this software. Live their lives, understand their pains, listen to their stories, and we get great insights doing that. Those insights are the ones that differentiate the product of the platform that we are building. And how we do it, it's because our ability to connect to that human emotion. So what are the key services that we offer? We have a digital advisory and consulting division. We have a creative set of people who understand UX, user experience and user interface. We have a bunch of computer science engineers who build this software. And we have a bunch of data scientists and analytics experts who understand data for personalization and recommendation. So how do we call ourselves? We call ourselves an experience engineering company in the digital world. We are relevant to enterprise clients and we are relevant to these large B2C platforms that we built. What sort of customers have we worked for? In what verticals? We are talking about media and entertainment, banking and finance, manufacturing and automotive, retail and e-commerce, healthcare, you name it, across global organizations in North America, Europe, Japan, Asia Pacific, Middle East, and India. We work with great brands. Take Warner Brothers Discovery, British Standards Institute, McDonald's India, Brightline Trains in the US, and various such customers globally. Paytm as one of the biggest examples. iCroya, which is one of the biggest election analysis platform that we have built. And I think our ability to simplify of how these things happen in the digital world, how we connect to human emotion and empathy, and how we build this software is what differentiates us. Come work with Robosoft to see the difference.